Hello, good morning everyone. So, myself, I'm Malesh. I'm working as a functional consultant. I have almost 8 plus years of experience in Dynamics D365 and also I was working earlier X2012 R2 and R3 versions. Currently, I have been working with the supply chain management, including the advanced warehouse management. So, let me share my screen. So this is the D365 Finance and Operations. So you need to log in. So you need to log in into the D365 Finance and Operation. So you can see it whenever you log in into the computer here. So this is the dashboard. This is a completely dashboard and all the modules and the calendar, the workflows, everything is available within the Microsoft D365 Finance and Operation. So the top one, this the finance and operation, the cursor the where I was highlighting, it is called as navigation bar. And if you can go back to the panel, if you click on here, so these, the home, favorites, the recent, the modules, this section completely, it is called as navigation panel. And if you go back here, the favorites are nothing but you can directly go back and directly you can directly click on the module which you want from the module the page which you want. Example, if you go to the all customers on the account receivable module, there is a star mark. If you click on the here, it is getting added into directly the favorites. So no need of navigating to account receivable module, no need of coming back to the all customers. Basically, this functionality utilized or used by the end users because they don't use the full functionality in the D365. They only use the few areas, example, the sales orders, purchase orders, products, or customers. They use it the favorites, but as a functional consultant we should not use the favorites because you have to be very familiar with going back and the navigations, the paths, everything. You have to be very perfect. So for functional consultant I don't recommend, but for end users 100% I recommend them. And the recent, it is always captures then wherever you navigate. See, we navigated to all customers, so it was capturing the recent. For example, if you go back to any of the modules, it will capture into the recent. That is the recent. The workspaces, so if you go back here, the workspaces, each module have a workspaces. Those workspaces are captured or it is available under the workspaces. But these workspaces are coming from the different modules. If you want to see the any of the workspace, for example, data management, the data management is available in the different module. If you go back to the system administration, see the data management, it is available under that system administration. But you can see the group of workspaces under the workspace tab. It is a grouping all the workspaces of from each modules and menus. And also, if you go back and if you click on the modules, so see there is a collapse. Means you can collapse all the fields or the menus which are available. You can expand. If you click on the expand, it will completely show you the all the options or the menus which are available for each module. This is not a single uh, topic to learn in a day one, because it takes lot of years to learn so many things. So many things are available. Okay. So these are called as the menus. If you click on the here, if you go back here, these are called as the menus. And also this is that like this is, you can say that dashboard or home page of the D365 finance and operation. And also you can do the search also here, the search option. If you wanted to find the navigation, if you don't know the navigation of the customers, you can just enter the customers here. It will give you, it will give you the what are the options are available to navigate to the customers. See the customers, but it is not the correct one. You can use the customers. See, going back to the all customers, customers and sales and marketing customers, and the retails also it is giving the. But you should have a minimum basic knowledge to understand where I need to navigate. This is the best functionality. And also here the action center. If you approving it something, it will give you the actions here. And also you can change the legal entities. For example, if your company have a multiple legal entities, you can choose any of the legal entities as per the business requirements. See, currently I'm using the USMF. You can use the USMF legal entity. And also these are the user settings. For example, you can come down here. If you wanted to change something in the background, see, you can change it. You can change it, whatever is required. It's according to the business, I can say. So the companies, you can set also the default. If you don't have a default, if you don't have a default, the system by default the companies have a dat company. If you keep it USMF, whenever you log into the system, it will always consider the USMF. It doesn't consider the THMF or THPMF. That is the good advantage of having it. And also we have to make sure that the language also is very important for the each uh, finance and operation entities. So these are like whenever we use some email notifications, those kind of stuff, we should add it some of the fields. Going forward, we will discuss it. This is also connected with the email notification, usage data, personalization. So these are all are the very good features. So we will coming back, we will discuss in detail. Thank you.